Okay, so we're outside St. Paul's Church, just over there. Yeah, it's a nice place. There's a lot of pillows everywhere, a lot of tourists as well. You should be able to see behind me. It's very sunny, and there's a water fountain just over there. We're going to go look at it. Okay, so we're a lot closer to the church now anyway. Check this out. This is where everyone sits and like does the thing there at the church. This is where like the Pope goes and stuff. And behind me here should be Leonardo's place, theatre.
It's running now.
Holy water.
Yeah.
What I think so far, it's very beautiful, it's very nice. There's a lot of nice people around as well, obviously from different parts of the world as well. The architecture on it is so detailed, it's like, you gotta be here like to appreciate it, you know what I mean? It's like every single tiny bit of architecture is like just chiseled down to the softest point of like sand, basically. But they've put a lot of work into this place. It's just huge. Like, this is something you ain't gonna see every day, so it's just really great. You gotta come here to actually appreciate the full experience of it.